Imagine waking up every morning, not to the sound of an alarm clock, but to the gentle sound of waves crashing on the beach. You roll over, grab your phone, and see that money has hit your account overnight. You're free from the 9-to-5 grind, free to travel the world, pursue your passions, and live life on your own terms. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. That, my friends, is the power of passive income. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. I'm going to break down what passive income really is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can start building it for yourself, starting right now. Whether you're completely new to this idea or you've dabbled in a few side hustles, this video is packed with actionable strategies that you can implement immediately to start generating that sweet, sweet passive income. This isn't about getting rich quick. This is about putting in the work up front, building a system that works for you, and ultimately achieving true financial freedom. So buckle up, grab a notebook, and let's unlock the secret to building wealth while you sleep. Before we dive into the secrets, let's understand what passive income really is. Most people earn money through active income, working a job and getting paid for their time. But passive income? It's money that comes in with little to no effort after the initial setup. Think of it like planting a tree. You spend time and effort up front to plant the seed, water it, and nurture it. But once that tree is grown, it bears fruit without you having to constantly tend to it. That's the beauty of passive income. You put in the work once, and it continues to generate income for months, years, or even decades to come. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? And honestly, there's no catch. It's not magic. It's just smart financial strategy. But it does require a shift in mindset. You see, most people are stuck in the trading time for money trap. They work for an hour, they get paid for an hour. But with passive income, you're building assets that generate income for you even when you're not actively working. This doesn't mean you'll get rich overnight. Building passive income takes time, effort, and consistency, but the rewards are more than worth it. Imagine having the freedom to quit your job, travel the world, spend more time with loved ones, or simply have peace of mind knowing that your income isn't solely dependent on your time and energy. That's the power of passive income. It's about taking control of your finances, building a secure future, and ultimately living life on your own terms. So, how do we get there? How do we break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and start building a life of financial freedom? Well, the first step is understanding the different types of passive income streams available to you. Because here's the thing. Passive income isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. There are countless ways to generate income without actively trading your time for money. And the best approach for you depends on your skills, interests, and resources. In the next chapter, we're going to explore some of the most popular and profitable passive income streams that anyone can start, regardless of their background or experience. We'll dive into the pros and cons of each, so you can decide which ones align best with your goals and lifestyle. Now let's get down to the good stuff, the actual ways you can start generating passive income. And trust me, there are more options than you might think, many of which you can start with little to no upfront investment. First up, we have affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, deal with customer service, or handle any of the logistics. You simply connect potential customers with the products or services they're looking for and earn a cut of the sale. Next, we have online courses and digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, why not package that knowledge into an online course or digital product? This could be anything from teaching a language to sharing your photography skills to offering business coaching. Once you create the course or product, you can sell it online passively for years to come. Another great option is blogging or vlogging. By creating valuable content around a specific niche, you can attract a loyal audience and monetize your platform through advertising, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products or services. While building a successful blog or vlog takes time and effort, the potential for passive income is significant. Real estate is another popular avenue for passive income. While it typically requires a larger upfront investment, rental income can provide a steady stream of cash flow month after month. And with platforms like Airbnb, it's easier than ever to become a short-term rental host and generate even more income from your property. Dividend investing is a more hands-off approach to passive income. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you essentially become a part owner of the company and receive a portion of their profits in the form of dividends. While it requires some initial capital and research, dividend investing can be a great way to build long-term wealth and generate passive income. For those with a creative flair, selling stock photos and videos online can be a lucrative side hustle. Platforms like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto allow you to upload your high-quality images and videos, and every time someone downloads your work, you earn a royalty fee. Creating and selling online templates is another great option for generating passive income. If you're skilled in design, writing, or any other area where you can create reusable templates, you can sell those templates on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market and earn money every time someone purchases and downloads your work. If you have a knack for writing, consider self-publishing ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once your ebook is live, you earn royalties every time someone buys it, making it a truly passive income stream. Another option is to build and monetize a niche website. By creating a website focused on a specific topic, you can attract targeted traffic and generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. And finally, don't underestimate the power of high-yield savings accounts and money market accounts. While the returns may be lower compared to other passive income streams, they offer a safe and easy way to earn interest on your money without any risk. These are just a few examples of the many passive income streams available to you. The key is to find something that aligns with your interests, skills, and resources, and then commit to putting in the work to build it up. The secret formula: build passive income faster. Now you're probably thinking, Graham, this all sounds great, but I want to accelerate this process. How can I build passive income faster? And that's the right question to ask. Because while patience and consistency are key, there are definitely strategies you can implement to supercharge your passive income journey. First and foremost, treat your passive income streams like a real business. This isn't just a hobby or a side hustle. This is an investment in your financial future. So, approach it with the same level of seriousness and dedication that you would any other business venture. That means setting clear goals, creating a plan, and tracking your progress. It also means investing in yourself and your education. The more you learn about your chosen passive income stream, the more effective you'll be at building and scaling it. Next, leverage the power of automation. One of the beautiful things about passive income is that you can automate many of the tasks involved. Whether it's email marketing, social media scheduling, or even customer service, there are tools and software available that can streamline your processes and free up your time. Don't underestimate the power of networking and collaboration. Connect with other entrepreneurs and creators in your niche, share ideas, and support each other's growth. You never know what opportunities might arise from these connections. And most importantly, never stop learning and adapting. The world of passive income is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay up to date on the latest trends and strategies. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend webinars. Always be seeking out new knowledge and information that can help you improve your business. Remember, building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But with the right mindset, strategies, and a whole lot of hustle, you can achieve your financial goals and create a life of freedom and abundance. And that's the secret of passive income. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right approach, you can build wealth that lasts a lifetime. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Don't wait for the perfect time or until you have everything figured out. Start taking action today, no matter how small. Whether it's researching different passive income streams, setting up your first affiliate link, or investing your first dollar in the stock market, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There's a whole community of entrepreneurs, creators, and investors who are here to support you. So what are you waiting for? Start building your dream life today.